my channel. I am really excited about today's video. We're going to do a photo challenge. It's crazy that I haven't done more of these kind of photo challenges. I really like to see these kind of videos, and today I'm going to choose some photos from Pinterest and maybe possibly also Instagram, and then we're going to try to recreate them, and I'll show you how I'll do that. You can see and laugh at my fails, or then applaud my successes. Let's see how it's gonna go. And you know, we've been in lockdown for 3 weeks, and it is so nice weather outside right now, and I really can feel that temptation to go out and take pictures of the cherry blossoms and all that, but I'm gonna stay home and gonna try to make the best out of the situation. And really, I think this is such a nice time for kind of nesting and doing all these kind of little small tweaks at home, and how you could make it just more comfortable and cozy, and just have some projects to kind of faff about. So the photo I'm going to do is attempt to make a cozy fairlights den. This is something that, especially these type of photos, pop up very much around Christmas and kind of in the autumn, and I've been wanting to do it for a really long time. So I think also it's gonna be really nice to attempt to do this, and also then I can use it to, in the evening, sit there and knit and either watch Netflix or listen to an audiobook. It's gonna be super, super cozy, so I'm really excited about this. And I've decided I'm going to do it in this corner, and I have looked at some photos. I don't have like a specific photo exactly that I'm gonna recreate. I'm gonna try to just make my own cozy fairlights den, and see how that turns out. Alright, so things I think I will need for this is a bunch of sheet and a blanket, fairy lights, then probably some string. I didn't really have any good string, so I just took the bulkiest yarn I could find, and my bathrobe and raincoat belts, and then a hammer, some nails, and these things that you use to hang up your laundry. Not sure what they are called. Roll up our sleeves and let's get to it. Hey Bella! Hey! Do you like it? Do you like it in here? Hey! Whew, I'm getting so warm in here. Okay, I should definitely have put up the fairy lights, attached them to the wall before I put up the sheet. Lesson learned. Much more difficult to do it when the sheet is actually up and you have to sort of maneuver underneath. So if you do make a fort, lesson learned, put up the fairy lights first. Oh, I am so happy. It is really coming together. Now I'm just gonna put in lots of blankets and pillows and just make it like super cozy. I can't wait to sit here and knit in the evening. Oh, it's gonna be so, so nice. And oh yeah, take the photo, because that is the reason we're doing this. Getting a little bit too excited here, a little distracted. So I might do the photo either today or tomorrow. It's really nice sunlight for now, but I think it's gonna look better with the fairy lights if it gets a little bit darker. So I'm still gonna walk about a little bit more, just take in all the pillows I can find and blankets and things, and then we'll see.